Hello children, welcome to class 6 unit 2 term 2 prose trip to Ooty. Here are some warm up question answers are there. So shall I ask the question to you? Okay, where would you like to go for a picnic? Would you like to go with your friends or parents? How do you prepare yourself for a picnic? Why do we arrange educational trip in schools? Let's discuss the question answers with yourself and answer yourself. Yes, where would you like to go for a picnic? You would like a wonderful place and so many beautiful sceneries are there, sceneries places. You like such a places. Then would you like to go with your friends or parents? Some people are like with their friends and some people like with your parents. Then you prepare so many things, snacks and a water bottle, whatever things you want you can pack with yourself. Okay, why do we arrange educational trip in school? Educational trip means whatever we have learnt in books. We have seen the reality of the educational things. Okay, so we learned so many things in educational trips. Here also Merlin, one girl, class teacher, arranged a trip to Ooty. They board the toy train. They enjoy the scenic beauty. So let's enter into the lesson. This is a letter writing. One girl writing letter to the friend about the trip to Ooty. Now, here are some information about Ooty. The Nilgiri Mountain Railway was built by the British in 1908. In 1908, the Nilgiris Mountain Railway built by the British people. Mountain train is another showcase of heritage of India. This rail connects Udagamandalam and Mettupalayam. The journey is the most picturesque train ride that mesmerizes travelers of all age groups. This train travels through 208 serpentive curves. Serpentive curves means the curves is like a snake. Okay, 16 tunnels and 250 bridges, waterfall hood, cliff edges, and tea estates covering a distance of 26 kilometers. Yes, what are the things in between the 26 kilometers? 208 serpentive curves, 16 tunnels, 250 bridges and waterfall hood, cliff edges and tea estates. It was a mesmerizing, beautiful sceneries in between the 26 kilometers. The uphill journey takes almost 4 hours because this is a hill station. The train moving very slowly. Then another one thing, they are enjoying the trip. That's why the train moving very slowly. In the year 2005, UNESCO declared the Nilgiri Mountain Railway as an extension of the wonderful heritage site. Darjeeling Himalayan Railway vintage steam locomotive is still retained as an excellent attraction to this train. This is information about Nilgiri Mountain Railway. Section 1, Glossary. Mesh, material made of a network of wire or thread. Swaying, moving slowly or rhythmically. Snacking, moving like a snake. Sniggered, laughed in a half suppressed way. Here the letter writing starts. The letter writing is about a trip to Ooty. Merlin writes letter to her friend Malli. Merlin class teacher arranged a trip to Ooty. They board the toy train. They enjoy the scenic beauty. And here he mentioned the so many wonderful things and the most wonderful time she had spent in the trip. Let's see the letter writing. Dear Malli, thanks for your letter and it was great to hear from you. You asked me to tell you about my trip to Ooty with my friends. I had the most wonderful time. 20 girls and boys from class 6 went on the trip. Our class teacher Geeta madam and two others took us. Yes, who is the class teacher? Geeta madam and two other people took them to the trip. My grandmother has told me about the beautiful journey to Ooty by the toy train many times. She said that it was a spectacular trip up and down the slopes with the birds and trees dancing along. Yes, already her grandmother told so many things about the beautiful journey to the Ooty by the toy train. So, on the slopes, it was a spectacular trip. Ooty is so close to Coimbatore, but I have never been there nor seen that train. So I was really thrilled when the school arranged this trip. You can imagine how excited I was when I stepped into the toy train with my friends. She was so excited when he stepped into the toy train with her friends. Then I looked around at the wooden chairs with the cushioned seats and oil-painted walls. As I put my bag on the mesh of the luggage rack, I was bubbling over with excitement. Yes, he looked around the wooden chairs and cushioned seats with the oil-painted, and he put the bag on the mesh of the luggage rack, and he was very bubbling and over with excitement. Hi Fatima, isn't this fun? I called out as my friend came into the compartment. Come, sit here. I have kept a seat for you. You can keep your bag next to mine. What have you brought to eat? Parota and delicious chutney. Did you see the train? It's so beautiful, Fatima replied to Merlin. Yes, she called her friend Fatima, and she kept a seat for her, and she kept the bag at the next to the Merlin, and she asked, what have you brought to eat? And she said, Fatima said, parota and delicious chutney. So they enjoyed the train journey. Our teacher Geeta madam came around to see if everyone was seated properly. The train is about to leave, so take your seats everyone. So the train is going to move, so teacher advised the students to take your seats everyone. She said. Just then the train started with a jerk. It moved very slowly, leaving the station with a long hoot. Hoot means the long sound of the train whistle. Everyone clapped. The train went snacking up the steep hillside, weaving its way through forest of tall trees swaying in the breeze. Yes, the train went snacking up the steep hillside and weaving its way through the forest of all the trees swaying in the breeze. One of the boys, Muthu, said, "It is going so slowly, I can walk along its side." And he got up to go to the door. From the other end, the teacher saw him and said in a firm voice, "Muthu, go back to your seat at once." The girls sniggered and Muthu sat down with a long face. The girls sniggered means they laughed. because Muthu get nice from the class teacher. So the train was going very slowly. So Muthu come and stand in front of the door. So the teacher said in a firm voice, Muthu, go back to your seat at once. So the girl sniggered and Muthu sat down with a long face. This is the end of the section 1. Let's see what happened in the trip to Ooty in section 2. Thank you children. Thanks for listening.